You know, the world of English is a fun and exciting place to be. I'm so glad you could join me for another lesson.
Oh, hello, Doctor.
Good morning. My name is Dr. Pokenprod. I will be your physician for today. Now, what appears to be the problem?
My throat is very painful. I can't speak properly.
Okay. I'm going to take a little look inside your mouth. Could you just open wide, please? Yes. Say ah.
Ah.
Okay. Yes, you seem to have something stuck in here. Let's just see if we can get it out. Don't struggle. Don't struggle. I think I see what the problem is. You haven't been chewing your food properly. Hi everybody, this is Mr. Duncan in England. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. In this lesson, we will explore the mysteries, wonders and fascinating facts surrounding the human body. It is something that has been a source of fascination for mankind since he could stand on 2 feet. It has amazed us with its intricacy and baffled us with its complex abilities. Oh yes, the human body is a wonder to behold. It is the most amazing thing you will ever own, yet many of us tend to ignore its fantastic abilities. The human body is a machine, and like all machines, it needs energy, which it must absorb and burn in order to function. Most of this energy comes from 2 definite sources: the food we eat and the air we breathe. Without these 2 basic intakes, our bodies could not survive for very long. On the outside, our body seems like one single object, but on the inside, there are many different types of activity taking place. Each group is called a system, and there are many systems that are active in all healthy humans. The most important ones being cardiovascular, circulatory, digestive, endocrine, immune, lymphatic, muscular, nervous, respiratory, skeletal, urinary, and of course, reproductive. Yeah, it's still alive. Back to the sea! You could say that the human body is made up of many different parts or components. Your bones, which make up your skeleton. Your muscles, which help you to move about. Your internal organs inside you, which perform various functions. And of course your skin, which helps to keep it all nicely wrapped together. All these parts have their own names, although many are not easy to remember, and some are very difficult to spell and pronounce. The general term used for studying the workings of the body are either anatomy or human biology, although anatomy is more specific and generally concerns the structure and positions of all the body parts. I am sure that some of us can remember our biology teacher cutting open a frog and showing us its insides. Ugh, yucky. What would you say are the most important parts of your body? I guess most of us would say the heart, probably followed by the brain. These particular organs keep us alive and allow us to carry out our everyday tasks. They are what we call vital organs. Other vital organs include the liver, the pancreas, the lungs, and the kidneys. As I said earlier, the human body is a machine, and just like any piece of machinery, it needs to be taken care of. Eating the right food is very important, and taking regular daily exercise will keep you fit and your body parts in good shape. Of course, just like any piece of machinery, things can go wrong, and parts do wear out. Fortunately for us, our body has the ability to repair and defend itself. Our immune system protects us from disease, and our tiny skin cells have the ability to regenerate or renew themselves. Thanks to modern medicine, we can now overcome many of the problems that come with everyday wear and tear. We can take pills, or someone can open up our body and repair the damaged part, or even replace it with a good one. Many illnesses and diseases can be controlled and cured now, although sadly there are a few which still have no definite treatment or remedy. Despite its amazing qualities, the human body is not infallible or 100% perfect. As we get older, the parts wear and the body's ability to repair itself begin to fail. Our tiny cells stop regenerating, and the appearance of old age becomes very clear and impossible to hide. Despite all our wonderful medical expertise, there is nothing we can do to stop this inevitable event from happening. Very interesting. When we feel unwell or sick, the first person we usually go to is the doctor. We will explain the problem that we have. The feelings we get when we are sick are called the symptoms, and these are what we tell the doctor about.
I have a sore throat and a bad cough. I have a pain in my stomach.
I sometimes feel dizzy and my heart beats fast. I can't stop going to the toilet. Oh. The doctor will give us a physical examination. This normally consists of having our temperature taken with a thermometer. Our pulse and blood pressure will be checked, and the doctor will listen to your heartbeat and the sound of your breathing with a stethoscope. The doctor will then decide what is wrong with us. He or she will make a diagnosis. Maybe we will be told to take some medicine, or if it is very serious, we will need to go to the hospital for more tests. If you have to be cut open, then we call this surgery. A surgeon will perform an operation on you. Of course, you will not feel any pain because they will give you a general anaesthetic, which is a substance that will make you sleep. Well, Mr. Smith, your test results have come back, and I'm afraid the news is not good. There is a chance that we may have a disease or an illness that cannot be treated or cured. It will eventually kill us. We will die from it. This is called a terminal illness. Here are some fascinating facts about the human body. The largest organ of the body is your skin. It performs many different tasks, so is classed as an organ. The largest organ inside the body is the small intestine, which is over 20 feet in length. There are 206 bones in your body, and a quarter of them are in your feet. Your brain consists of 80% water and cannot feel direct pain. Over 300 million cells die inside your body every minute, but do not worry, because your body makes 300 billion new ones every day. It is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Your mouth produces up to 2,000 milliliters of saliva every day. The small groove that runs down from your nose to your top lip is called the philtrum. Your heart has the power to squirt blood over 30 feet into the air. The lining of your stomach is replaced every 3 to 4 days. The brain controls all of our actions and movements, such as the sights we see, the sounds we hear, the flavours we taste, the odours we smell, and blah 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 blah, the words we say. The brain is able to control our breathing and make our heart beat without us needing to think about it. There are many involuntary reflexes, including blinking, coughing, and even standing up straight. Oh, and we mustn't forget yawning. There are many idioms that relate to parts of the body, such as keep your eyes peeled, which means look around you carefully, or watch out. I'm all fingers and thumbs. This means that I'm not good at doing things with my hands. I'm clumsy. My eyes are bigger than my stomach. This means that I have put more food on my plate than I can eat. There is too much food on the plate. I have a gut feeling. I feel something, or I'm aware of something. Gut is an informal word for the digestive system, or your stomach. That food is finger-licking good. This means that the food tastes very good, or delicious. It gets under my skin, or something gets under your skin. Something is annoying you, or you find something irritating. Take it on the chin. This means to accept something that is unpleasant or unpalatable. A heart of gold. This relates to a person who is kind or generous. You've got a heart of gold. Heart of stone. A person who is unemotional or unaffected by bad news. You have a heart of stone. There can be no way of doubting the amazing and complex structure and workings of the human body. It is truly something to behold, and will always be a source of delight and fascination. Of course, our bodies will only work as well as they are cared for and maintained, and we must always be aware of this rule. Eat healthily, sleep well, and have happy dreams. Be active and positive in everything you do. For as we say in English, a healthy body means a healthy mind. How true that is for you to decide. That's all there is from me for today. Thank you very much for watching me teaching you. This is Mr. Duncan in England, looking forward to seeing you again real soon. Until then, take care and Ta-ta for now.